What's going on, everybody? I'm Aaron.
And I'm Katie.
And today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, what are we making?
What is the flower thing called?
Piranha plant.
Whatever it is.
So we're doing some Mario crafts using a couple of little flower planters. Some paint.
Some moss.
And for me, I'm going with a Chomp, so I'm making some zip ties.
Ping pong balls already?
Yep. No, I didn't. And ping pong balls.
Also, we'd like to make a very special thank you moment.
Yep. Thank you to my in-laws for buying us some brand new scissors. My mother-in-law
good quality.
Yeah, my mother-in-law was like, "Yeah, I saw your video where y'all broke them, and I just wanted to get you some good scissors." I was like, "Well, thank you. That's nice." So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start making my chain. What are you gonna do?
My first step, I'm taking some rocks. I'm using rock gallets, but you can use anything you want.
Rock gallets. That means rocks in French.
Well, excuse me for them doing that to me. Thanks, Walmart.
Yeah.
And I'm going to fill it up in here to give it kind of like a base level for me to place my stem, which my head is going to be on, of course. Well, not my head. But
Keep your head on the stem, kitty. Katie. Kitty.
Didn't know I was a cat now. I probably should have stuck the thing in there first and put the rocks around it.
Yeah, that might have been a good idea.
You live and you learn.
Yep. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. So I'm going to go ahead and make my chain. And this chain chomp is just going to be a depressed, sad one that hangs down and just doesn't like life.
It's asleep. It's asleep like a dog. They sleep on Mario.
Yeah. But they don't sleep on Mario, they sleep whenever he's not around.
They sleep on his franchise.
Yeah, no wonder Bowser has such terrible luck keeping Mario away from his treasures,
They sleep and then they get up and bark at you. And chase you.
Yep. So I want to see, is that going to be... I don't want it to hang down to the point where it's like, sitting on the floor. So I'm thinking maybe like 2 more pieces of chain and I should have my chain made. Ooh, we didn't get out the green paint, did we?
No. I should probably paint my thing first.
Yeah, I think I'm going to do that as well before I do anything further. So
well, with that though, we will have to wait. So maybe we should wait until after we build it, then paint the actual outside of it.
Yeah, well, that would probably be a good idea.
Use your brain, people, because we don't here.
No, we quit doing that a long time ago. Alright, that should be enough chain right there after setting everything down.
I need you to make an indent.
Watch your arm too, because that's on.
I need your assistance with cutting a hole into my ping pong ball, just enough for me to get the thing in.
Alright. So,
when you can get to it.
Yep. Just trying to get a big glob of hot glue.
Now I'm going to take the moss.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rock first, because that'll give my...
A rock in a hard place?
Funny.
Ew.
It's still not set yet. Yeah, it's not quite hot enough yet to be
I should probably
used.
glue that moss to the rock.
I might. Wow, that's still sticky on the side there, but... Alright, you want me to cut a hole in your ping pong ball there? So you want like the piranha plant mouth?
I was actually going to draw that on there, that way.
You just want a hole so you can stick your...
Yeah. Because I have a feeling if I cut it in half, something's going to fail.
Alright, so what you need to do
That's
is...
how things work here.
There.
Plenty good.
That should hold it in place.
If not, hot glue. I don't need hot glue.
Yep.
So far, so good.
Yeah, so far so good.
I've planted an orange.
Oh, we're easily amused.
By the way, I have a new shirt. Aaron's not the only one that has cool shirts anymore.
Yeah, Katie finally got a cool shirt.
It says Ponyo loves ham. If you don't know who Ponyo is, I suggest watching the movie. You'll get the reference.
And that movie is Spirited Away.
No.
I just
Ponyo.
made Katie go like full on Miyazaki nerd. Wow, this stuff is not sticking to the flower pot.
You should go watch the franchise. The Predators. Payback.
Yeah, I deserve it. Okay, so I found out the hot glue's not working for my flower pot.
Yeah, because hot glue doesn't stick to flower pot.
Yeah, it doesn't stick to ceramic that well.
But that's okay because a chain can be free.
Yep. So I've made it so that there's a rock holding him in place.
I almost just sang,
Let me just let that sit.
what do you call it? High School Musical.
Countdown.
No.
I don't know.
Or Breaking Free.
Oh.
Because you said something about something being breaking free or resting free, yeah, whatever.
Yep.
My brain's not working.
I don't either.
It's in creative mode, so all logic is thrown to
Yeah.
the wind.
It's kind of like Minecraft creative mode. Nothing makes sense on there.
I haven't played that in so long.
I know. It's been like...
We were making this fun theme park thing.
Yeah.
We haven't been on it in forever. I remember I built this trick that I learned from Chandler, who never watches our videos half the time.
Hey Chandler. Kids don't try that at home.
You take all the carpets and, use every single square of the carpet and then just start building it up until you can't build no more. And then you go all the way up to the top and you jump down and it's like you move your head up and down. It's an illusion.
Huh, nice.
You don't remember I built that?
Yeah, I remember that. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting the head of my chain chomp. If I remember, or chomp. If I remember correctly there.
Whatever the name of the dude is.
Yeah. If I remember correctly, his face is...
And start painting the red on the flower.
If I remember correctly, these were debuted in what, Super Mario Bros. 3?
I would not be able to tell you.
But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started doing our painting, and when we come back, you'll get to see our final products. Alright, so everything's dried. Katie, do you want to show yours off first? There's your piranha plant. It's like, hey, I'm a piranha plant. And then here's my chain chomp, but like I said, it's going to be one of those where it kind of dangles around.
Dingle dangle.
That face just looks... It's like, nah. That's about it, but I mean, this was a fun project. I enjoyed doing this compared to like some projects we've done in the past,
Bird feeder.
But, well, my mouth turned out a little, it got smudged.
Yeah, because you left them on paper towel.
Yeah, I tried to leave it sitting up, but apparently it didn't want to sit up, so. But, yeah, so chain chomp one more time.
Piranha plant.
So, anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Also, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of today's video, or click up top for that bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we're doing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey everybody, it's me, Heather Kitty, and I'm fighting a demon tree snake thingy. And anyway, click on that round subscribe button and that video. Anyway, I gotta run, this thing's gonna kill me, bye!